Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time. I promise I'm going to be consistent now. It's a new year, new resolution, new vibes. So today's tutorial is on this eyebrow, an updated eyebrow tutorial on how I created this brow. So if you want to see how I did this, please keep watching. I'm starting off using the Eversheen brow pencil in black shade. I usually use this particular pencil for dark skin tone, but I just decided to use it on her when I saw that her brows are black. I'm just outlining the bottom brows. Now I'm outlining the top brows. I'm just following the hair, her brow hair. I didn't shave it that much to give it a natural look. You see what I did here. Now I'm doing hair-like strokes just to fill in the brows. No, I'm not shading, I'm just lightly stroking it to make it look like it's a natural brows. Now I went in with a dark brown pencil to outline the beginning of her brows to make it look natural, to have that natural look effect. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. This is a new year. I promise I'm going to be giving you back-to-back content. So please subscribe, like, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you. Now I'm outlining the brows using the MAC concealer NC45. It's the cream concealer with an angled brush, the Younger Beauty brush, with a Nigerian brand, so that the brows will be popping. I'm using a shade about 1 or 2 shades lighter than her. Usually I don't outline the top brows, or if I have to, I'm going to use her exact shade of powder or rather foundation or concealer for the top brows to blend in with the foundation. Now I'm blending out the concealer using it's also a Younger Beauty brush as well to blend it out. After doing this, I'll just apply powder. And voila, this is how the finished look is. This is how it came out. So what do you think about these brows? Let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel. I promise I'm back. Look at the brows. Can you see? Ooh, everything just blending. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.